Thank you so much, Mercedes.
News Now is sponsored by our Community Pride partners, Finley Automotive Group, Southwest Medical, part of Optum Care, and Silver State Schools Credit Union.
To continue celebrating their 50th anniversary, Southwest Medical, the sponsors of this next segment, are helping Down Syndrome Connections Las Vegas. Here's more on their partnership.
Lofu, you are with Southwest Medical. Lisa, you are with Down Syndrome Connections Las Vegas, and this is a partnership we are excited to spread the word about. So let's start with you, Lofu, or Dr. Tan. You're a longtime provider with Southwest Medical. Tell us more about the work that you do with them.
Sure, thank you. Yes, I've worked with Southwest Medical for several years now, primarily in urgent care in a couple of divisions. One we call on-demand medicine and the other digital health. I was part of a team that created a virtual telemedicine program back in 2014. And the goal was to remove barriers like lack of transportation, conflicts with work schedules, responsibilities around home and personal life that got in the way of getting appointments. And, so for example, loading kids in cars and driving across town or trying to find childcare were things that we were trying to remove. And since the introduction of that program, we've had actually over a couple 100,000 audio-visual consultations on the platform. For me, it's pretty rewarding to be able to improve healthcare and quality of life using digital health technologies. The other thing is we're not the only company, of course, in Las Vegas that is providing care. And as part of our 50th anniversary, we want to take the opportunity to introduce some of our community partners.
And that takes us perfectly to Lisa. Tell us more about Down Syndrome Connection Las Vegas.
We're a nonprofit organization connecting all people in the Down syndrome community with each other and providing the advocacy and support that they need. And we are working closely with the UNLV School of Medicine to promote research to help people with Down syndrome be healthy, live longer, and be fully included as members of society as a whole. In October, we're organizing the very first Las Vegas Down Syndrome Conference at UNLV and co-hosted by UNLV. And in addition to registration for parents and other interested members of the community, we'll be offering registration for teens and adults with Down syndrome and have topics specifically geared for them.
As part of our 50th anniversary year, we're going to be introducing other community partners who are involved in providing care throughout Southern Nevada. And for us, it's part of why it's a great place to live and work.
It sure is. All right, thank you again to Southwest Medical for being one of our Community Pride partners. And Las Vegas Now will be right back.